Alkyl amines, Nykaa is also pulling back a tad bit. But as promised, my colleague Abhishek is standing by the big wall to explain all about securitization as part of our special series, Fin Street. Abhishek, over to you.
Well, in Fin Street today, I am covering securitization and everything that you need to know about securitization. Now, securitization is the conversion of an asset, especially a loan, into marketable securities, typically for the purpose of raising cash by selling them to other lenders. Hence, in India, securitization is an arrangement largely done between NBFC and banks. Generally, banks give loans to NBFCs. Since banks do not have a direct reach to rural customers or customers beyond the large cities, they buy such securitized portfolio from NBFCs. Let's understand securitization in detail. An NBFC, let's say ABC, borrows money from a bank, let's say FGH, on a regular basis. So as per RBI rule, the bank has to meet its priority sector lending targets. Hence, FGH will ask ABC to securitize a part of its eligible portfolio and acquire this. FGH will now hold securitized assets in its balance sheet and bear the credit risk on it. What does this do for ABC is that it provides liquidity by freeing up resources locked up in assets, also offering a lucrative price for such assets which are securitized and transferred. So why does bank do securitization? Banks mostly find it difficult to reach deeper geographies to serve the priority sectors. Manpower and expertise in acquiring and managing such business is also often lacking with the banks. NBFCs typically are well versed with local realities in the region they operate, and they also have a deeper reach within them. Hence, it makes a lot of sense for a bank to acquire loans from NBFC to meet its priority sector lending targets. Now, recent ruling by RBI, let's understand that. Loans with residual maturity of less than 365 days cannot be securitized. Also, the loans must have a 3-month track record of repayment. The impact. So this can have an impact on the securitization volumes, but the quality of loans securitized could improve. Also, shorter duration loans will not get securitized now. The extent of securitization among lenders, M&M Finance, Awas Fin and Indostar Cap, they have the highest securitized portfolio amongst listed NBFCs, while AU Small Finance Bank, Bajaj Finance and IIFL Finance, they have the securitization level of under 3% of their overall AUM or asset under management.
Abhishek, thanks a lot for getting us that complete explainer on securitization. But with that, we're going to wind down on this edition of Trading Hour with the news that the market is really not looking so good. 0.9% gone on the Nifty. The mid-cap index is only seeing losses widen, so it's over 1% down on the mid-cap index. And the banks also under severe pressure after, a lot of the banking updates did come through. So that's what's going on with the markets. Thanks for tuning in. Halftime report after this short break.